Hey everybody, I am back with another What's in My Bag. I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I got a new bag. Here she is. This is, now I'm not sure how to pronounce this. It's spelled A-N-D-I-E. Some would say Andy, some would say Andie. I have a friend in real life and she spells it this way and her name is Andie, so we're gonna call it the Andie bag. It's from Gigi, New York, and it is a crossbody bag. And I will insert some pictures of me wearing it so you can see what it looks like worn on the body and proportion and all that good stuff. But it's at 11 by 11, basically it's a square bag. And I thought I would take you through it and tell you a little bit about the bag itself. And the other reason why I haven't done much of a what's in my bag video in a while, even though I've gotten some new bags, is because nothing really changes. I mean, who goes and gets new stuff every time they get a new bag? No, you just take the stuff that you had from the old bag and you throw it in the new bag and most of it fits. Sometimes the only difference is you get less stuff. Maybe you get to fit more crap in it. I don't know. In this case, obviously, this is a little bit of a departure for me. It's, in my case, significantly smaller. I like the Mary Poppins kind of a bag. So for me, this is tiny. So I thought I would walk you through it and tell you what I think of wearing, in my case, a much smaller bag. And I know there's some of you that can walk out the door with just your cell phone with a little wallet on the back. I am in awe of you a little bit. I'm not that person, but I'm weaning myself. Okay, so this is the Andie, like I said. She is in this incarnation in the camel color. It also comes in, they call it stone. I'm gonna call it beige. Like a Bordeaux color, I wanna say, like that maroony color, and a black. This thing comes off, the strap comes off, and as you can see, it is adjustable. And I have put it on the second to shortest length because I am not a very tall person and I have a hair. It's making me crazy. It's probably making you guys crazy. Okay. I'm 5'4" if I stand up very tall. 5'3 3/4" I think is the official number. Many of you ask and are surprised that I'm not taller. I'm not. Anyway, so I saw this online and I was just instantly intrigued. It's kind of, to me, it feels modern. The silhouette is really clean, but at the same time kind of bohemian. I don't know why I get that. I love this flap. It's raw leather on the inside. It's the suede kind of unfinished side. So you lift up the flap and you have these two outside pockets. I personally love this because if it's not gonna have, for me, the exterior pocket on the back to put your phone in, this is the next best thing. So obviously this pocket, I keep my phone in it and I flip-flop around cases, but I keep coming back to this one mostly because this is the one I stuck the magnet on for my pop socket thing. Like really, that's why. This I got at Amazon. I will link it below. I will link everything below. I link everything all the time. I have breath mints in here and gum. That I won't link, okay? But this metallic thing that's a magnet is from Ideal of Sweden. It's pretty cool. I like the idea of a pop socket so you can do your selfies and all that good stuff. But I also like, let me clear that. I like that when you want to slide it in your pocket, sometimes this thing catches when it's a permanent one. So I like that when you don't want it, you can just pop it off. I didn't put it ideally. I think I should have placed it higher up. I don't know if I need to order like a new sticky thing or what. Please advise. Can any old metallic sticker thing work? I don't know. So there's that. Okay, we're on a tangent. And the other, now if I'm normally walking around and, well, that's not true. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. Normally, when I'm walking around inside a store, building, whatever, I would shove my sunglasses in here because I never put them in a case, but I'm trying to be better about that. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. What is in here now is a movie ticket. I went and saw a matinee yesterday of A Star is Born. No spoilers, but you need Kleenex when you see this movie. It was fabulous. The music was fabulous. The acting was fabulous. I have never seen any of the other Stars Are Born. I thought there were only two. I thought the one with Barbara Streisand was the original. It was not. That was the third version. There are two even before that. Actually, I started crying before the movie even started. There was a preview. There is a new Mary Poppins movie coming out. Disney, it's not a remake. Disney is making the return of Mary Poppins, where the Mary Poppins children have grown up. The little boy has grown up. He got married. He had kids. His wife died. His sister, I'm not giving anything away. This was all in the previews. His sister, I think, moves in with them, and they're raising the kids, and they're going to lose the family home, and Mary Poppins comes back, and I'm bawling. That was just in the preview, so it didn't go well from there. Okay, anyway, inside the bag, I really like this. This part zips, and it's a nice, solid, I don't want to say gold, brass zipper. So I like that part that you can secure your inside. So it's one big, deep pocket in here, and then there's two slip pockets that are hard to see. One is a little bit wider than the other. So let's go with what's in the interior pocket. So in the larger of the interior pockets, I have several makeup items. The first is a Makeup Forever lip liner. This is their high precision lip liner, and if you want a lip liner in the nude lip tone family, I don't want to say nude, I want to say that are in the color of your lips mostly, these are them, and they are basically waterproof. They don't budge. They're amazing. And yesterday, apparently, I was wearing the shade 11. And then I also have what I'm wearing today, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in the shade Pillow Talk, which is kind of amazing as well. Very long wearing, not quite as long wearing as the Makeup Forever, but I like the shade of Pillow Talk better. I also have my Neutrogena Hydro Boost lip gloss in the shade, I believe it's Radiant Rose. Yep. Current lip balm, Kapari Lip Glossy. It's excellent. It is glossy. Yesterday's lipstick is the Estee Lauder, what is this one called? Pure Color Love in the shade Crazy Beautiful. It's like a basic pink. I love it. It's one of those go-to shades. Layers well under the Radiant Rose lip gloss. And then what I'm wearing today, I wore this in Instagram stories, you saw it a couple days ago, and everyone asked if I had my lips done. If I get my lips done, I will tell you that I got my lips done. There's no point in hiding it. Y'all will ask me anyway, so I'll just get ahead of it and tell you I'm contemplating getting my lips done. It's been a full year since I did that. On the fence, just timing-wise, there's some travel and things coming up, so I want to wait till there's like a little bit of a dead period. But and I wouldn't go crazy and do a duck thing, but I do like a little fullness, I'm not gonna lie. And what I have on today, though, apparently made you think that I got my lips done, so that's kind of cool. And it's two products, well, it's three. I lined my lips with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat, and then I'm wearing the Kevyn Aucoin Molten Matte in Tory, and then I topped it with the Kevyn Aucoin Top Coat in Cyber Opal. These are part of a little holiday set that I picked up at Sephora that I want to review for the holidays. This is obviously going to get a positive review so far. And then in the smaller pocket, I just have pens. I don't know why I have 3 pens, two of which have those little thingies to draw with on an iPhone, but I do. One is a Colleen Rothschild pen. One is a Reward Style Like to Know It pen. And one is a Staedtler pen. Whatever. Okay, then we get to the main pocket. So this is where I have significantly downsized. This is a major thing for me. I don't know if it's a security blanket that I like having a ton of stuff I'm never gonna need, but I might need, so I have to have it with me. So, first off, I just got these. I actually picked up 2 pairs of sunglasses recently at Nordstrom. They're both by the brand Diff, which is new to me. I like the price point of sunglasses between like 50 and 100, 50 and 90, somewhere in that price point. I find when they're a little less expensive than that, they fall apart pretty easily. And when they're more expensive than that, not that I haven't bought expensive sunglasses before, I have not been known to take very good care of my sunglasses. Let's be real. I use them as a headband. I throw them in my bag without cases. So why buy Ray-Bans? We all know I'm not going to take care of them. But I'm going to try a little bit harder. So I got 2 pairs. The ones I'm going to show you, they're both by Diff. I don't remember what they're called, but I will look it up on the receipt and list it in the description box below. I'll put these on. I got aviator ones, and then I got these. They're like a tortoise shell, I guess. I like them. They're cool. Let me zhuzh up my hair. Yeah, I like them. What I didn't realize, when you buy sunglasses in store at Nordstrom, this is not sponsored, by the way, by anybody, they can adjust them. They have like a heat gun in the store, and they can heat the ends of the sunglasses and bend them to fit your head. I was actually wearing my Chanel sunglasses that I did spend a ridiculous amount of money on, that I treated like terribly, and I bent them and they're loose and they're falling off, and they said, oh, here, we'll fix those. And now they are like brand new. So that's cool. But anyway, got these in there. And so those will no longer go in the front pocket because they will be in their case, in the main pocket, and I am not wearing them. I have this really old, you've seen this in every What's in My Bag video, so I hate doing this. There's a really old leather bag from Tiffany, New York. They do not make these anymore. They make other leather goods, but they do not make this, so there's no, and then inside this is are my business cards, and I get them from, I've said this before, but I'll say it again for those of you who've not seen previous ones. I make my own business cards on Microsoft Publisher, and then I load them as a template onto moo.com is where I've been ordering my business cards for many, many years, and they let you add metallics, and they're really cool. And yeah, so there's my little head on there, so I keep them in here. You just never know when you're gonna need a business card. I have a random concealer. This is Clarins Instant Light, no, just Instant Concealer. This is great for touch-ups. This is maybe TMI, but whatever residue is left on the edge of the tube right there is just enough for touching up. And it's the perfect consistency for under eye, blemish, wherever you are to touch up. This is amazing. Here is the aforementioned Altoids. Cinnamon. These are my jam. I love the cinnamon. Love them. I need to restock. There's like 3 left. Also, I recently picked up gum. I know this is not an opinion shared by many. I don't like to see people chomping on gum. I just think it looks really tacky. But it does freshen your breath better than mints. So when I'm in the car, I will chomp on gum and then spit it out before I get out of the car. At least I try to. Also, gum tends to trigger headaches in me if I chew too much. Does that happen to anybody else? So extra long-lasting flavor, Winter Fresh is what I had in my bag. I love these. Invisibobble hair ties. They come in other colors. I like the clear. They blend well. And they do regain their shape even after you stretch them out. You just have to leave them alone. Kleenex. I mean, allergy season is kind of 24/7 year round here. And then when you go see sad movies, you need Kleenex. This is kind of funny. I transferred stuff from my old bag into this bag, and this was in there. This is the Amazing Cosmetics Velvet Mineral Powder Set Setting Powder for the face, which is great. I like this especially for a purse because it's very slim. It is a translucent powder, basically, like no color. What I didn't transfer was the brush. So good thing I didn't need this yesterday. I guess I could just, when I do concealer, I do like to set it when I touch up, so I just unhygienically touch my finger in it and then tap it wherever I need it. But the brush would have been nice to put in here. I have a little travel size Sigma powder brush that I usually shove in here. This is a sign of my age that I carry these with me. Pepto-Bismol tablets. Yeah. Although recently at homecoming, excuse me, one of the young ladies in our dinner party asked if anyone had any. So there you go. Always handy. And then two more medically related things. Eye drops. I swear by these. The Systane Lubricant eye drops, long lasting, soothing comfort, dry eye therapy. I'm just a really dry person. I have a dry sense of humor. I have dry skin, dry hair, and dry eyes. So these are great if you're a contact wearer. And then this is a really old travel bottle, and I just keep refilling it with my current supply of ibuprofen, and this is just ibuprofen tablets. And then my wallet, and I've had this for a really long time. I don't even know if Mulberry still makes this, but this is their French goat skin. Are French goat skin different than American goats? I don't know. I think they still make this. I don't know if they still make the hot pink version, but this is their wallet. Apparently it was established in 1971. So was my husband. And, you know, the usual. It has card slots here. It has actually more card slots here. It has a lot of room in a small wallet. Actually, you can stuff a lot in here. I have. So, yeah, that's it. That is the whole shebang. Look at that. And I like it. I really like it. I don't know exactly why you would want to detach the strap. Maybe you want to add your own funky purse strap. I guess you could do that. You know, the guitar straps are in. That could be a possibility. I will say that this bag, another thing I like about it, it's it has a nice flat body, but it's not overly structured, and it's really lightweight. It's not a bag that has weight to it, even empty. It's, I think it's a great travel bag. It's smooshy, so it's easily flattened and put in a suitcase or inside a larger tote for travel, like on an airplane, and then you can have this for traveling. There is some travel coming up to visit son number 1, so this will be coming with for that. But that's pretty much it. Just some like notes to preview some things. Sunday coming up is the usual vlog. I haven't been vlogging this week, so after this Sunday, the following Sunday, I don't even know what that date is off the top of my head. I believe that's the 21st. There will be no vlog. And I don't know if there'll be a vlog after that or not, so stay tuned. Taking a little mental health break from vlogging, but regular content will still remain. Be sure you're around on Tuesday because the long anticipated for me video one-on-one with Colleen Rothschild is coming up, and that was just amazingly fun to film. So I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoyed making it. And she's just a really lovely and wonderful person. So I hope that you get a chance to spend some time with us on Tuesday. And always more to come. So that's what was in this bag. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna link my previous What's in My Bag playlist somewhere around here and down in there. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.